babies. They're all piled up on top of each other sleeping. I hope it's going to get in the shot because I just put salmon in the dish and they've never had it before, so they're going to go nuts in a little bit. Oh, they're smelling it. They're like, what is that smell? Hey guys, there's something new in the food dish. Really? Oh, here we go. The first taste of salmon. There we go. Smoky bandit. First taste of salmon. I know Pug was digging the chicken last night, so I'm sure he's gonna love this. There we go. Say, I'm liking this. This is quite tasty. What's on the menu tomorrow, Mommy? Aren't they too cute? Oh my goodness. Loving my babies. They're so spoiled. You see those teeth? Aww. Smokey likes the salmon. It's way down in the dish, and the dish is really deep, so they're probably struggling to get it, but looks like he's got it. Oh, he sure does. Some little flaky pieces, so it's a hit. Oh, he got one. Oh, too cute. Mommy's down there hiding, eating her piece. So, anyway, her salmon. Exciting stuff. I hope.